Inspiring work comes from inspiring people. I think that's an Elon Musk quote somewhere. Or at least a deep fake quote, that's for sure. I'm gonna go get gonorrhea from this big guy. You have a nice day. I love you. I love you. I love you. No, I love you. I love you.
I love you too.
I want to have the babies.
Yes.
Big. Whoa! He has a hole there.
You didn't know that?
He has a butthole. I usually segment my videos, meaning I like to edit one before continuing to the rest of the video. I like to think that I actually just go over the entire video, cutting out the fluff, but this is generally not the case. I have a subconscious order of importance when it comes to editing because I'm not cool enough to think my methods are unique, unless they're bad. The order goes trimming the very beginning and the very end, trimming out the bad takes and the drawn out silence, add any sort of zoom-ins or tracking, then I add the music, and then I do the big edits. We got Matthew holding the bear just throughout all of our shots, just right behind the bear. Oh, take down. Yeah, punch that stupid bear in his stupid face. Yeah, baby. Also, you just sat in dog poop.
No way.
You poopy poop. Not really. I can't confirm that, but I don't think you did, but I pranked you. Hi, cat. In this video, we had a great idea to have me basically teleport. Seeing me close the door, then seeing me again pulling the bear after the camera pans. It had excited me that I was about to try something that I had barely tried before. Masking is what's used when you add a subject on the layer on top of your first layer. You can do many things by animating these to do many impressive things. For this video, you're hiding something in an edit. In this case, we are slowly hiding the clip on top with an opacity mask to make the transition smoother than sandpaper. And hopefully like other things too. I don't know if this is a testament of how weird Premiere Pro can be, or a testament of how few brain cells still live within my thick cranium, but I had a very troubling time trying to make it. I kept accidentally making a new mask and messing up the keyframes because I was making the keyframes for the new mask, so there was nothing happening overall on the video, and this was the first video I edited since being back in Washington, so I was really scared of and unsure of my capabilities, and I just want to die! But I got the hang of it. As long as you click on the mask in the effects tab, you can see it again. That was really easy. Do I hate myself? Pro tip with masking. Generally, you want to film certain shots with a tripod, and make sure to film a shot where the subject is out of frame, save it as an image, and with that same trick we just did, you can mask out things that aren't meant to be in the shot. However, if you shoot the shot handheld, you are going to have a nearly, if not full-on impossible time trying to mask it out. The mask will not react properly, and it will become almost worse. So, in our case, zoom in some shots, reposition some things, and try to get those arms out best you can. And then, hope and pray no one notices. Music can really make or break footage, so it's important to know the music that will make your video. I use these websites: Pixabay, Sound Bible, and the classic Incompetech. You can find some truly amazing things on these websites. In fact, you've been seeing videos from Pixabay in this video, also a song from a YouTube channel called No Copyright Sounds. What is No Copyright Sounds, you ask? They are literally as the name suggests. So, have fun with that one. I'm admittedly still learning a lot about how to properly use sound in video and film, so I don't have a whole lot of advice, but it's better to have music too quiet rather than too loud. You want to hear the content of the video and hear literally anything after the video's over. Sometimes multiple sound effects together can create a more full sound, so get creative. And after all that hard work, here is the music in action. Please, please, someone just end it. Why? Why do we exist? Why do we exist like this? Are we here to suffer? Please. You know what? Maybe this whole life thing was a mistake. Like and subscribe for more calamities like this. Maybe comment the existential thought that keeps you awake at night. Or other stuff works too.
Yeah. Goldilocks sends her regards.